On today's episode of I Do Manly Things, where you going? Huh? I'm going to install this lock on the front door, which means I'll remove the top lock, put it down on the bottom. Only other issue will be this portion. Okay, not a problem. That's going on the bottom. That you gotta repaint around that stuff. So hey, remember, this is a me installation and not a you installation, so do not follow my steps step by step. But you can use it as a sort of assistance video. All right, let's get started. All right, all top screws, or all screws in the top deadbolt removed, and then I'm just going to pull everything out. Get back, cat. Look at this thing. Oh, all right, and there's that pulled right out. Front side, we're going to use these for the lower portion. All right, we'll be right back. Bam! Both of the kitty cats in one picture to prove that they exist. Now get back. And with the power of the pause button and get in this house. Yeah, power of magic. I've gotten both out. For all you who don't know, that little cap right there, you just pull it off, and there's a screw right behind it, okay? All right, so let me get this taken out. I couldn't find any red spray paint or the red paint I used on the door before, so I have some red caliper paint I'm going to use. Do not laugh at me or the difference in color or the fact that I have to use this because I don't have to brush, but I would at least like to have some form of matching red. I can always repaint the door later. All right, and zim zalabeem kablowie, done. Bottom bolt in. Oh yeah, notice that slick ass paint job. Uno, dos, tres. Booyah! By the power invested in me and the magic I possess, I now present you with a completed door. Smart lock installation. I'm gonna go ahead and get these batteries put in. Any advice I could give to people as far as putting stuff in? Remember, on the bottom when you install your deadbolt, there's a long side and a short side. Long side, short side. Obviously, the short side is done on the other side. Just remember that when you reinstall, because the top may be deeper than the bottom. All right, till next time, have a great day.